Clip. Now let's talk about making multiple batches. By that I mean we want to make more than a dozen muffins because this recipe allows for a dozen muffins. If you want to make, say, 2 dozen or 3 dozen, what I like to do is this. It depends, of course, how many muffin tins you can fit into your oven, but hypothetically speaking, let's say you're going to put 12 muffins in the oven at a time. So in the end, we've made one whole batch, we've put it into the oven. But what I like to do to save myself a little bit of time if I'm making 2 or 3 batches is, when we're preparing our dry ingredients especially, like our baking powder, our baking soda, the salt, and the flour, we did that in the earlier clip, but if you're making multiple batches, have a couple other dishes on hand, do the exact same thing, line them up, and it's so much easier so that when you're cutting up your bananas in the next clips and preparing your eggs and your sugar, you've already got your dry ingredients prepared for the next batch, which you can be preparing, well, the first batch is in the oven, which makes it very time efficient.